Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Minky and this is the Glam Guide. A big glammy welcome to you. If you guys are new, please make sure you join the Glammy gang by hitting that subscribe button right below to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing like a PR unboxing situation, but this is going to be what's new in beauty. So I'm going to be unboxing all like the latest releases of beauty products, fragrances, skincare, and the like. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. So the first thing we're going to talk about is from GLAMGLOW. I actually have a couple of products here from GLAMGLOW, so we're gonna chat about both of them. So from GLAMGLOW, they have come out with a mega size of the SUPERMUD. I really love the SUPERMUD. I think that it is great for unclogging pores and all that, and this is also one of my favorite masks to use when I'm actually doing spot treatments. So if I have a spot on my face or I'm breaking out a little bit, this is what I use and it sorts me right out. The next product from GLAMGLOW is this right here. So this is the GLAMGLOW WATERBURST and it's hydrated glow moisture. So it says here that it provides 72-hour hydration, it quenches the skin, plumps, replenishes, it gives you a hydrated glow and all that good stuff. I'm a little bit of an oily girl and I know that oily girls need moisture too, so I'm definitely going to be trying this out and finding out if it's also really friendly and works well with oily skin. So next, GLAMGLOW sent me this beautiful package, so I'm really excited about this because this is the glitter mask. It is a mask with all kinds of glitter. This is the glitter mask and this is actually the gravity mask. So it lifts, it foams, it tightens, tones, sexifies your face. Yes. So this is what this is for, and it's got glitter inside, guys. The concept of a glitter mask for me is incredible because I'm extra like that, so the fact that I can be masking and just be like all shiny and stuff, like, it is everything. So I'm super excited to get straight into this. So next we have some products from a brand called OPTIPHI. They're a skincare brand and this was actually given to me by Tammy Taylor Nails Peter Vale, and in here we have a facial cleanser and we also have a moisture control. So that looks really interesting. I'm really excited to try these out. I know that OPTIPHI is not cheap, okay, so I have a couple of friends that have tried it and they swear by it, so I'm really looking forward to trying this as well. So excited for the next thing. So I don't know if you guys remember, but this is why you guys need to follow me on social media. When I went to England last year, around July, I picked up the FITME concealers. So I picked them up and we hadn't had them in South Africa yet. And then in February, I got called up by Maybelline to actually do the advertising campaign for the FITME concealers, and they have now dropped. I believe that you can find them in Discam and you can find them in Clicks as well. And Maybelline was kind enough to send me all of the concealers. I don't know what is going on here, but mine are like all messed up. I'm actually missing one, color 40, because I use it as like my color, so I jumped straight into it. That's the color that I love using to highlight and stuff. But these are basically all the FITME concealers in all the shades. I have spoken about these concealers before. I've used them and I've spoken about them before. If I compare them to the LA Gold Pro concealers, they're not as thick in coverage, but they blend absolutely beautifully. So if you want sort of like a lighter daytime kind of face beads, like highlight and contour situation, then I would definitely recommend these. So next we have a fragrance from MUGLER, and I've already opened this, so I've like ruined the packaging, but can I show you how this came? So this was the box it came in. I opened it already and I sort of ruined it and there were like more flowers, but I wanted to put it back in the box to show you guys. This packaging was absolutely everything. MUGLER always outdoes themselves with their packaging, with how their PR packs are wrapped and stuff like that. I am so impressed, and this smells absolutely delicious. Smells so light, so fresh. It's more of a floral scent than it is like a citrus scent. But if you guys want me to do a review on this perfume on its own, please let me know. So next we had a package from Clinique. I have absolutely zero patience. Okay, so when it comes in, I want to play with it, I want to try it, I want to swatch it and all that stuff, and I end up using it. I got these gorgeous, so first of all, it came in this package and there were swatches of material inside, and I actually have 5 of these lip glosses, but in here there's only 4 because I misplaced the other one because I was using it, but it wasn't too different from this color here. It was like a nude color as well, and this packaging is absolutely everything. I think that it is beautiful. The formula of it is so good. I told you guys in one of my previous videos, I don't really remember which video it was, but I'm sort of like moving away. I mean, I still love a good liquid lipstick and a good lipstick, but these days I'm so into lip glosses, and finding really pigmented lip glosses is sort of my thing. So these are it. They are absolutely beautiful. These are a limited edition collection, and as I said, everything you will find down below where you can get them, the colors that are available and stuff like that. This is the Give Into the Total Temptation PR pack. So this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love this. It's sort of like a faux fur situation in here. I have the Total Temptation eyebrow pencils, and then also the Total Temptation mascara. And then underneath here, they also sent me a few extra bits, some lipsticks, the nude palette, and some Master Chrome highlighters. So next, we have something that arrived kind of recently. This is from NYX Professional Makeup, and it is the With the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara. Check this out. So it opens. I really love how it's got like a lightning design almost. That's really cute. So you open it like this. There are some liquid suede liquid lipsticks in here. These are not new. So the liquid suede range is not new, but these colors are. And the With the Hype mascara. So I will be doing a review. It claims a lot of things, so I'm really excited to really put it to the test and see what's good. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Let me know which mascara you guys would want me to review first. Also, please make sure that you subscribe. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye.